Alright, we got a 2011 National Treasures football, box number 692. What does that mean? Is that good?
Could be.
Could be.
Oh.
It's that Cutler, number to 25. Got Irving Fryer.
Number to
99.
99. Okay.
Got
Tony Romo.
Romo. It's at 99. Brandon Gibson. 99. Is that Dez Bryant, 2-color patch. It's 49. Is that Daniel Thomas, dual patch. Nice patches. 49. Is that George Blanda, timeline. 99. Ahmad Black, rookie auto. Corey Luget, the Ahmad Black is 99. Luget's to 99. A Taiwan Jones, rookie patch auto.
Red one. Mango or
A Ryan Williams, NFL gear. 2-color ball auto. 49. One Kaepernick, 4-color rookie auto.
2 RPAs.
99. It's a Taiwan number 2. 99. Alright.